Thank you to everyone who entered and put your work out there to be judged. Now, the Green Stamp recognition has been part of the awards program for over a decade, but this year saw stamps given to more projects than ever before. Given the environmental crisis our planet faces, we salute those companies that have prioritized green practices, sustainable landscapes, and best practices such as the use of permeable paving, native plantings, water conservation strategy, and green roof technology. Let's all aim to be part of the solution and aim to have even more Green Stamp projects next year.
Green Stamps were awarded to Country Living by Whispering Pines Landscaping for its use of locally sourced materials and pre-existing materials. Peach Harbor by Niagara Outdoor for its low-impact construction and erosion mitigation plantings. Rear Yard Retreat by International Landscaping for its living wall and green roof. Stony Ridge by the Imrie Group for its soil reclamation, use of natives and vegetable garden. Patton by Green Roots Landscaping for its use of permeable pavers. Waterwise Hardscape by International Landscaping for its stormwater management. Lake Simcoe Residence by Rockscape for its strategy to mitigate erosion with plantings instead of retaining wall. Native Perennial Pollinator Garden by International Landscaping for its native plantings. Carson's Pond by Jackson Pond for the natural pond. And a project that did not qualify to win an award of excellence, yet the judges felt was worthy of a green stamp because of its excellent use of native plantings, Stonehouse Wildflower Meadow by Lavish.